All right, you may or may not live near an Ikea. I know for lots of us, Ikea is a standard, but if you're not in a metro area, you might not have access to an Ikea. One great thing that they have in Ikea that you will definitely want to get if you have an opportunity are these bags. Okay, so now we know Ikea is very green centric and that kind of stuff. So everything is recycled materials, recyclable, reusable, will last forever. So they have these great bags. Let me show you what it looks like. So they are super multifunctional. Like you could use this as a backpack. You could use it as a carrying bag, except the other way. It goes like this. If you want to use it as a carry bag, right? You just unzip it, fill it up, unzip it, fill it up. Use it as a carry bag. Simply unzip it, fill it up with all your shopping or all your stuff. Handles, you could use it as a carry bag. There are 10 trillion different ways, and here's what you want to see is just how big, look at how big this is. I'll give you a feel for how big this bag is. It weighs absolutely nothing because it's just like this woven recycled plastic. They are very strong, especially compared to like its looks and its weight and what it seems like. It is actually impressively strong. We've used these for a long time, always very successfully. Like I said, we actually just moved here to Florida. It's not just anymore, but it was a couple of years ago. We actually used these to move. We bought a whole bunch of these. And by the way, this is a 4-pack in case you wanted. We bought a whole bunch of these and they were just so great for packing things in, especially like clothing and that kind of stuff. Packed them full, put them in the U-Haul, all that kind of stuff. Super easy, well organized, lightweight, can carry a lot of weight. These are definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.